In today's video, I will show you how you can create kids animated story video using AI.
Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a curious and adventurous little boy named Oliver. Oliver had always been fascinated by the animal kingdom, and his heart yearned for wild and exciting adventures. One sunny morning, while exploring the depths of the jungle, he stumbled upon a magnificent lion named Leo.
So without wasting any moment, let's start. I will divide this video in 4 parts. For first part, we will make the story. Then we will generate the voiceover for the second part. Step number 3 is generating image for the video, and last step is making videos. So let's start. For story, I will use ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT in your browser. If you have an account, then log in here. If you don't have an account, then sign up here. I have already an account, so here I am. Here you need to put your prompt, the thing you actually want. I need a story on a boy and a lion. So write a story on a little boy and a lion in the jungle. Okay, then enter. Now ChatGPT will give you a story within a minute. Let's see. This story will be original and you can use anywhere. The story is done. This is our story. Now what we need? Now we need voiceover, and it is obviously 100% free. There are a lot of AI, but today I will use 11 Labs. Here you no need to sign in or sign up. But one thing, the character limit is 333. So you need to put your script part by part. Here you will get different languages: English, German, Polish, Spanish, and here you will get the option of voiceover artist. So I need the story. Here is the story. First I copy the first part of the story and paste here. I have copied 332 characters. So let's check the voice. Generating the voice.
Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a curious and adventurous little boy named Oliver. Oliver had always been fascinated by the animal kingdom, and his heart yearned for wild and exciting adventures. One sunny morning, while exploring the depths of the jungle, he stumbled upon a magnificent lion named Leo.
Done. Okay, now download by clicking here. Is downloaded. So our audio is ready. Then we need images for our script. For image, I will use bluewillow.ai. This one is also free. Just join here. I have already an account, so this is my account. Here you just paste your scripts. Put backslash, then click here imagine prompt. Now copy 2 sentences from here and paste here. Do it like this way. Copy 2 sentences and paste here. Copy 2 sentences and paste here. It will take few minutes to prepare your images. It will give you 4 options. Let's see. Okay, our image is ready. So here is 4 images. You can choose any of them. Here is U1, U2, U3, U4 for image number 1, 2, 3, 4. U1 is for upscale. If you click U1, it will upscale image on, and V1, V2, V3, V4 is for variation. Like if you need a variation of this one, then you need to click V3. It will give you more option for this picture. Like I like this one, so I need a variation of this picture. So for variation, I will click V4. It will give you some variation. Okay, this is the variation. 4 photo. So now which one you need? If you like this on number 4, so upscale this one. For number 4 image, click U4. The image has been upscaled. So I need and download this image. Just click here, open in browser and save. Done. So like this way, put rest of the script and generate your image. I have already done this part, so I have the images and the voiceovers. Now I need to make the video. For video, I will use Camtasia. You can use any video editing software, but I always use Camtasia. But the editing is simple. You can do it with any video editing software. So just start. First import my downloaded images. Now import my audio. Here is the audio. Then put the audio here. Now adjust the images. Adjust fit with the video area. Now animate it. You can use Filmora or other softwares for this. Our editing is ready. So let's check.
Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a curious and adventurous little boy named Oliver. Oliver had always been fascinated by the animal kingdom, and his heart yearned for wild and exciting adventures. One sunny morning, while exploring the depths of the jungle, he stumbled upon a magnificent lion named Leo.
Here you can put transition or some other effects. Let's make the video. Finish. Okay, our video is done. Let's check the video. Here is our video.
Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a curious and adventurous little boy named Oliver. Oliver had always been fascinated by the animal kingdom, and his heart yearned for wild and exciting adventures. One sunny morning, while exploring the depths of the jungle, he stumbled upon a magnificent lion named Leo.
We made our video. I have used ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Blue Willow, and Camtasia. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, then just put a comment in the comment section. Thank you.